Okay guys, here we got my new soundbar for the Uforce 1000 XL. We got the BOSS Audio, the 36-inch RGB soundbar. Got it from UTVCanada as part of a Black Friday sale. So we'll get this unboxed and we'll get it installed. Okay. There it is. 36-inch soundbar with RGB lights. Really is the best soundbar for the money, it seems like, on the market, at least for the size. And soundbar is just a lot easier than installing an audio roof, or I didn't want to do an amp, anything like that. Okay, we got the remote, some hardware, wires. Here's the bar itself. We got the clamps to put it on the roll cage. So yeah, cigarette lighter. So I'm just gonna cut the cigarette lighter off and then hardwire it into the. I already ran the wiring, so I think I got it figured out where I want to put it. So the instructions are pretty shit, so we're gonna just get started on this. It just comes with these little tiles that slide in the rail to whatever side you're going to mount it on. Okay. Do a test fit. Okay, I can't really get a camera in here, so I'm just going to do the install and then show you after. But what I'm doing is just putting it on this bar, and I'm going to flip it up like this. Just so it's out of the way of everybody's view. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Okay, so I got it mounted here. I don't know how I feel about the position, because it seems like if you sit in the back seat, depending on your height, it might be in the way. So I might have to move it around, but that's where it is right now. Like I said, I already ran wires for my whips and light bar here, so we're just gonna strip this down and then connect it up to the AuxBeam 8-gang switch panel. Okay, I figured it out. I now got it where it's just on a single light, which is what I want, not flashing. So like I said, this is where I mounted it. It's tough. It's so big, it's hard to find a good spot for it. So I think that's where it's going to stay for now, at least. But it looks good. It's definitely loud. It sounds great. We'll see once once we're riding up to speed, but yeah, pretty happy with it so far. And like I said, I have it here on my AuxBeam switch panel. So I will just, now I just got to put the sticker on there. But yeah, pretty easy overall. Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth connects right away, which is nice. Okay, well, there it is for now. We'll see how it does once we get out on the trail and we're up to speed, see if it still sounds just as good. Okay, have a good one.